So how to reuse OpenCV include linker settings. So first off, let's create a new project. So say hello OpenCV. Okay. So we could create a new source file. Say let's have a hello OpenCV version. Let's include OpenCV2 core header, and let's include IO stream. So cout CV version. Okay, so we have now our hello OpenCV, but it's not recognizing the core library, so we have to add a property. So in this case, let's make this 64-bit, and let's add a new property sheet. So let's just call this OpenCV hello property. And if we're going to set the directories, say we have the include directories, so which is in OpenCV build install include, and we have for the linker let's add the lib directory. And finally, we could add the labyrinth dependency. Say these are the files in the lib. So for this simple case, we'll just use the core. This one, core 320. OpenCV core 320 library. and we can see that the error earlier, this red one, cannot open source file, should go away after we add the dependency. Okay, so we can now run this. And we have the successful OpenCV version. The problem is when we create a new project, we'll have to repeat those property selection again, all over again. But we could reuse this property sheet. So we have to save this, and let's check the content. So this one is setting the libraries for our OpenCV. So that means that we're going to close this one and maybe create a new project, say another empty project. So let's just call this a new project, and say I'm going to repeat what I did earlier. So just going to add another new source file, and if I include core again, it's not visible. So in this case, usually we have to set the libraries all over again. We could say print again the version, OpenCV version. And let's pause it. Return 0. Now in this case, if we try to run this, we'll have a build error, like we cannot open the OpenCV core, because if you look at its properties, it's basically not set in this particular project. They include directories and the linker settings as well. There is no input, additional library directories is not set. So basically we could just click property manager, and within that particular debugger, say 64 debug, we could basically add the property sheet that we had before. So I have to add the existing one, and that came from, what project was that? Was it Hello OpenCV? Okay, so you have OpenCV Hello property, and we add this, and the error went away. So if we compile this again, so let's just run this again and see it's calling the library correctly again. So that's it, reusing the OpenCV linker settings.